to explain just a little bit more about this trade. Relatively simple stuff. Trendline break, inverse head and shoulders. Luckily we caught the start of the move because I've been keeping an eye out for it, so props to you if you took it. You know, if you didn't, unlucky. There'll be hopefully another way to enter the position. So I'll tell you what I'm currently looking for. So at this moment in time, I'm liking EC a lot more than GC for the reasons that we haven't got news tomorrow. The news might end up wiping out the position, triggering the stop loss, so I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do about it as of yet, as it is moving quite nicely, but I really think EC is the better play here. So what I've been waiting for on EC is we'll go down to the hourly, obviously a retest of this level here, this key level. This has been quite a key level for some time. You can see the price has been reacting off it. Not too sure if it goes back any further than that, but price has been reacting off it quite nicely for a little while now. So we've had obviously this trend line break. We've kind of reached the bottom of this range now. If you have a look, we can see that we're kind of moving up in this uptrend. Every time we're making a higher high and a higher low. I did think that potentially we might break it as we came down, but it just seems that price could not continue to move to the downside. So what I'm looking at here on EC is I'm looking on hopefully being able to scale in and get another position on this. At this level here, obviously this has been quite a strong level now for some time as well. Price has been reacting off it really nicely. So hopefully we come up and then we get a really nice pullback, and we can just stay in the trade. So if we can add to this position here, that would be really nice. I'm looking at a few different kind of areas that take profit, and I think we're going to go all the way up to full TP. Personally, it's looking like a really nice trade so far. It's looking like a good trade so far. If that is the case, then hopefully another or a couple of positions for maybe a combination of like a 50R, which you know, if it can go all the way up there, I think I risked 1500 on this trade, so you know, hopefully we can get this all the way up to something like a kind of 50 or 60 grand trade, but we'll see. But yeah, just looking at maybe take profit or taking a load of profit at number 4, maybe scaling out after we kind of scale into the trade, or trailing some stop losses. EC or GC is also looking relatively nice, so I'd like to be able to get a few positions on this as well. So in terms of positions on this, I am looking at, obviously we can see here that we've got like this inverse head and shoulders followed by this trend or this trend line break, and this is going to be kind of the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. So we'll see what happens there. We'll see what we can get with it, if we can get into this other position and be able to kind of take it at the top. Obviously scale out positions are kind of the same. I think this is going to be one of the kind of key areas. This is where this is like the higher time frame area that's been a little bit of an issue for some time now, so we'll see what happens there. But yeah, just kind of scaling in and scaling out of these trades, and we'll see what we can get. Realistically, I don't think we're going to need anything else now that we're in these trades. I don't think we're going to need anything now we're in these trades for the rest of the week, but yeah, that's the plan with these trades, and we'll go from there.